Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tax Talks with Anish. The countdown has begun. The 57th GST Council meeting is almost here. And the big question is, will this meeting bring real reforms or just a routine decision? While nothing is official yet, these are my key expectations and watch points. To start with, Section 16(2)(c). This has been one of the most litigated GST provision. If the government finally consider relief for genuine recipients where the supplier has defaulted in paying the GST, the real question won't be whether relief comes, but whether it is retrospective or only prospective. Next, corporate guarantees. Businesses have been waiting for clarity. If a guarantee is issued without consideration, should it even qualify as a supply? A clear position from the Council could put years of uncertainty to rest. Then comes Aviation Turbine Fuel or ATF. The aviation industry has been demanding its inclusion under GST for years. If discussed, it could significantly improve cash flows and reduce the cascading effect of taxes. Another area to watch is GST rate rationalization. Sectors suffering from an inverted duty structure continue to face refund accumulation and working capital blockage. Some rate correction may finally be on the table. There could also be a rationalization for public oriented sectors like education, coaching, and similar services. Also, I would closely watch whether the government revisit the net ITC refund formula, particularly the long pending demand to include input services for inverted duty refunds. Now, here is something interesting. Recent media reports suggest that CBIC is examining a centrally administered multi-state GST registration model, which could be a major compliance reform for businesses having registration across multiple states. Reports also indicate a discussion around allowing GST input tax credit on business cars and employee group medical insurance. If this proposal moves forward, they could be among the biggest ease of doing business reforms under GST. Further, Section 11A could be used to settle certain legacy disputes, including matters relating to online gaming, before the valuation rules came into force. Another expectation is a review of GST registration threshold to reduce compliance for small businesses while ensuring that government revenue remains protected. Personally, I don't expect the 180-day ITC reversal condition to be discussed in this meeting, but if it does, it would certainly be a welcome move. And finally, GSTN portal simplification, a master GSTN concept where common registration details are updated once and automatically reflected across all state GST registration, could save businesses a tremendous amount of compliance effort. Remember, these are my expectations and not prediction. Whether these topics make it to the table or not, each of them has potential to shape the future of GST in India. Now, I want to hear from you. Which reform do you think has the highest probability of making it to the 57 GST Council meeting? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy practical GST insight, explain in a simple way, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.